The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States gave its approval to the first Bitcoin exchange-traded funds one day after a misleading tweet from the SEC on Twitter caused financial markets to go into a frenzy. On January 10th, the Securities and Exchange Commission approved a 19B4 application for shares of ARC21, Vesco, Galaxy, Grayscale, and other shares. In order to list and trade spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, on their respective exchanges, these applications need rule amendments. People were able to download the material from the SEC website for a brief period of time before an Air 44 warning appeared. It's possible that users will see the filing through a new link. Investors can keep track of Bitcoin prices without needing to buy the cryptocurrency or worry about its self-custody. If the Commission decides to authorize the first regulated exchange-traded product in the United States, then individuals will purchase Bitcoin-based shares and exchange-traded funds. This is the case even if the Commission does not disclose the permission document. According to James Cart, an expert on the ETF, XRP is capable of being recreated. Fidelity Investments issued an XRP ETF with 21 shares, which caused a range of emotions and disagreement within the XRP community. Additionally, this occasion marked a challenging time for the blockchain environment. Does this imply that Fidelity's XRP is receiving a lot of attention? Ever since he attempted to withdraw millions of dollars in July 2022, JMC Caleb, who is also the co-founder of Ripple, has been behaving in an odd manner within his XRP wallet. Additionally, the blockchain was subject to continual fluctuations. If Ben Armstrong's most recent prediction of an 11.35% increase in XRP is accurate, does this imply that the much-anticipated $7 jump is already predetermined? Chris Larsen and Arthur Barreto were the original founders of OpenCoin, which is now known as Ripple. MC Caleb was one of the other founders. On July 17, 2022, after 8 years of consecutively emptying his taco stall wallet in a meticulous manner, he withdrew and dithered. Following his departure from Ripple in 2014, JMC Caleb established Stellar, despite the fact that the three founders of Ripple each earned 20 billion XRP for their contributions to the project. When MC Caleb left, he was in a disagreement with the management team and had 9 billion XRP in his possession. In accordance with the Ripple founders' lockup agreement, MC Caleb was restricted to selling just 1 billion XRP on an annual basis, which prevented him from liquidating XRP holdings. The goal of this technique was to forestall a market domino effect that would result from a significant drop. Following MC Caleb's departure, he drained the taco shop wallet of its funds and sold XRP until it was completely depleted in July 2022. Nevertheless, the funds of the Ripple co-founders suggest that there have been new withdrawal attempts, which occurred a year after MC Caleb emptied the wallet. These questionable endeavors started on July 17, 2020, which is a strange date. There were nearly 1 million XRPs stored in the wallet at that time. Despite the fact that the address contained a far lower quantity of XRP, this withdrawal attempted to take 3.89 million twice. Both trades were unsuccessful. On July 17, 2022, MC Caleb successfully withdrew 1.1 million XRP as a result of 10 hours of unsuccessful withdrawal attempts. According to the on-chain, JMC Caleb decided to sell them to Bitstamp, just like he had done with the money that he had withdrew. This was the most recent outbound transaction that took place in July 2022. 14 withdrawal attempts were performed between the 28th of May and the 11th of June 2023, with the goal of obtaining between 2.9 million and 2.5 million XRP. Following the reservation of 18 XRP, there are just 139 XRP that are accessible for spending. 157 XRP are now stored in the wallet, and there have been no withdrawals made. Which of these explanations is the most likely to be correct? I see. A little bit of XRP. As a result of the fact that the details of the transaction indicate that the attempted transfers were automated, supporters were incorrect, in their assumption that the co-founder of Ripple's wallet was the intended recipient. There is no question that MC Caleb built a bot that is capable of automatically withdrawing a predetermined amount of XRP. Due to the fact that this automated withdrawal prompt is still active, customers are attempting to take further funds from their wallets that are currently empty. It is important to keep in mind that the first transaction that failed took place in July 2023, when the wallet still contained more than 1 million XRP. In spite of this, the amount was insufficient for the automated withdrawal that the project required. Ever since December 26, 2023, Magnetic X has been receiving information that numerous accounts have been attempting to overwhelm XRPL with millions of transactions each day. DApp is a tool that criminals use to transfer small amounts of money from multiple wallets to a single wallet. It is also possible that Magnetic X believes the transactions are part of an internal stress test, or that hostile individuals are attempting to bring the XRPL network to its knees. Despite the fact that the XRPL project was initially intended to be a front-running DEC project on XRPL, it ended up having a significantly negative impact on both regular network users and development teams. After the attack, Magnetic X also stated that its applications were unable to obtain transaction histories or subscribe to notifications regarding network transactions. Activity was slowed down as a result of overloaded network nodes, which led to this problem. According to Magnetic X, efforts are being made to mitigate the impact by acquiring resources, optimizing code, and making adjustments to the design of nodes. Because of the XRPL DEX, there are significant concerns regarding the capacity of XRP to manage higher transaction volumes. In January of 2020, Xrp was removed from the product due to a legal argument regarding its classification as a security. However, analysts had previously determined in July 2023 that it did not qualify as a security. Since its reappearance, there have been whispers going around that the company would launch an exchange-traded fund, ETF. In spite of product talks, proponents of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds have asked that Fidelity issue an exchange-traded product, ETP. Their excitement about the alleged ETP is a direct result of the asset's legal clarity in the United States. To what extent can we trust this result? According to the findings of our investigation as well as those of other well-known Bitcoin blogs, Fidelity has not yet developed an exchange-traded fund, ETF. This may come as a surprise to you, but an ETP includes a wide variety of financial securities. In light of this, it appears that not all ETPs are ETFs. A quick search of Fidelity reveals that the asset manager's website makes use of an Xrp ETP that the Swiss bank Ammonia AG provides. Because of this, the network's capacity of 1,500 TPS was called into question due to the problems it had at 60 to 70 TPS. At this point, that is all.